Hey again, just doing a little update. So I've drilled these things out, but first what I did was I took this plate. Now I drew that up on just a paint program, and I took it over to Laser GRBL. I cut this little template out. Then I took this hole punch. It's a trigger activated one. You get a little dots. So I got the center, 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 center. And then I took the drill and I used this thing. There, it was a 10 mil, so put it over the hole, took the drill and drilled it out. I didn't film this, but that's just a simple way of explaining it. So again, this thing gets center punch center hole, get your drill out the holes. Pretty simple.